Kita kayo. Ay, ta, Luis kita. Yan, sige. Yan, oh. You go up. Wow. Ayan, ay, itang rope. Luis, itang rope ita. Luis yan. 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 The ladder. Go. Go.
I can do it, Mommy. I'm too
Uy,
scared.
tapos na kayo mo.
Where can I go?
Oops. So,
Ha. Wait, let's go.
oops. Careful ka dito.
Now we go to the trampoline area. Mom, I want to see down here. Look at this.
Oh, you slide. Slide.
See the track. Okay, guys. Let's go to the trampoline. Go to the trampoline. Okay, wait. Look, the slide. Let's go to the trampoline.
Oh.
Down in the jungle where nobody goes, there's a great big crocodile washing his clothes. There's a rubber duck here, a rubber duck there. That's the way he washes his clothes. Boogie woogie boo, boogie boogie woogie boo. Hey Johnny, to play this.
Awa. I will put it in the Bansel family.
Hi guys. Hello guys. Nice to meet you. Wait, ulit, ma'am. Ulit. Ito pinapulap.
Ini pa, oh.
Yung konti. Dito. Dito na ulit. Hello. What do you want, Mommy? What do you want?
What do you have?
I got all of it. What do you want? What do you want?
Bread and fish.
Bread.
And fish.
Fish. The fish. Wait, no, wait, little, no!
Meron kaming own version ng Twinkle Twinkle, pero traffic light naman. Are you ready, kids? Okay, so all you have to do is to follow us. Ayan, music please, ate. Ate Jellica. Okay, wait natin yung warm-up dance natin.
I'm a five.
Wait. Okay, so music please ate. Jenica. Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light on the corner shining bright. Red means stop, green means go, yellow means very, very slow. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light on the corner shining bright. Wow, okay again. Traffic light on the corner shining bright. Red means stop, green means go, yellow means very, very slow. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light on the corner shining bright. Good job, kids! Ang galing-galing naman! Okay, so sit down muna tayo sa floor.